Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your AirPods are stuck on a flashing or blinking white light. Now typically a white light on your AirPods just indicate that the AirPods are ready for pairing. However, if it is stuck on this and you can't get out of it, then there's just a couple of things we can do. So the first thing you'll need is a USB-C cable, and we're going to plug the USB-C end into our AirPods, and you're going to plug the USB cable into a laptop or a USB port. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove the AirPods from the case, and then you're just going to reinsert them back down, and just make sure to firmly press down on the AirPods when you reinsert them back into the case. And then we're just going to close the case here, and we're going to wait for this to fully charge. Now the way you can tell when the AirPods are fully charged is at the moment you can see this kind of amber light. When the AirPods are fully charged, this will change to green, so you'll just need to wait for this to get to full charge. Now if your AirPods are fully charged and that still hasn't fixed the issue, the next thing I would recommend doing is coming over to your mobile device, and if your AirPods are currently paired to your phone, then what you'll need to do here is come over to settings and head inside of Bluetooth. Locate your AirPod connection and select the information button next to it. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're just going to press forget this device, and then just confirm by pressing forget device. And once again we can just press forget device at the bottom here. And then we can close out of our phone, and what you'll need to do is close the case of your AirPods, and you'll need to close this for at least 30 seconds. So once you've waited for 30 seconds, what we're going to do is we're then going to reopen our AirPods. So then what we need to do is come to the back of the AirPods, and you'll notice this small button at the back here. Now you just need to hold down this button for 15 seconds. At the moment you can see the white blinking light at the top here. This will change to an amber color once it's ready. So just keep holding it down until this changes to an amber color. So as you see now, it's now turned to amber and back to white. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close the AirPods, and then you can reopen the AirPods, and at the same time you can unlock your phone. If nothing pops up straight away, you can just try pressing the back button once, and that should pop up with your AirPods. And then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen here to reconnect them. So I'm going to press connect and then close out of this window. And if I come back over to my Bluetooth, you can see now that my AirPods are connected. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you fix the issue with the blinking white light on your AirPods. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.